Is your brand struggling to gain traction? You're hustling, but the results just aren't there. You might be making one of 5 common mistakes sabotaging your growth. Today, I'll break down these pitfalls and show you how to avoid them. A strong brand is more than a logo. It's your story, your values, and the experience you deliver. Even the most dedicated companies slip up, damaging their reputation and stalling growth. Let's dive into the 5 mistakes holding brands back and how you can fix them. Your brand needs a strong foundation, a clear identity that resonates with your audience. But what happens when your message gets muddled? What happens when your brand's voice becomes a confusing jumble of contradictions? It needs one clear, focused message. A singular idea that cuts through the noise and tells your customers exactly what you stand for. This isn't just about having a catchy slogan, it's about embodying a core principle in everything you do, and it needs a consistent message. From your website to your social media, every piece of content should reinforce your brand's core values and unique selling proposition. Everywhere, across every platform and every interaction, your brand should feel familiar and reliable no matter where a customer encounters it. On your website, on social media, in your email campaigns, and even in your customer service interactions. Every touchpoint is an opportunity to reinforce your brand identity. Inconsistency kills trust. It creates confusion and makes customers question your authenticity and reliability. Imagine seeing a burger ad, a juicy, mouth-watering image promising a delicious experience. But then you arrive at the restaurant, and the menu only serves sushi and pasta. There's no burger in sight. Confusing, right? And incredibly disappointing. Your brand is a promise, a commitment to deliver a specific experience or value. Mixed messages break that promise and create doubt. They erode customer confidence and make them hesitant to engage with your brand. People are busy and bombarded with information from every direction. They're constantly filtering and prioritizing what deserves their attention. Make it easy for them to know who you are and what you offer. Simplify your message, clarify your value proposition, and make it instantly recognizable. Consistency builds recognition, creating a sense of familiarity and comfort. And recognition breeds trust. When customers consistently see and hear the same message, they begin to believe it. Start with a brand style guide, a comprehensive document that outlines all the elements of your brand. Define your voice, the personality and style of your brand's communication. Establish your tone, the emotional inflection you use in your messaging. Solidify your logo, the visual representation of your brand. And choose your colors carefully as they evoke specific emotions and associations. Make sure your team uses it everywhere, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and representing your brand consistently. Audit your online presence regularly. Take a close look at all your digital channels. Is your messaging consistent across all channels? Does your website reflect the same values as your social media? If not, fix it. Identify the inconsistencies and take immediate action to correct them. Consistency wins customers. It builds trust, fosters loyalty, and ultimately drives growth. Double down on your messaging and watch your brand soar. Invest in clarity, consistency, and authenticity, and you'll see the results in your bottom line. Don't let confusion cost you growth. A confused customer is a lost customer. Keep it clear, simple, and easy to understand. Keep it consistent across every touchpoint and every interaction. Your customers are your business's lifeblood, so why ignore their feedback? Customer feedback is gold. It tells you what's working and what's not. Ignoring it is like throwing away a winning lottery ticket. Listening shows you care and builds loyalty. Feedback helps you spot and fix problems. Maybe your website's clunky or your product needs a tweak. Don't just listen. Act. Thank customers for their input and make real changes. Every piece of feedback is a chance to improve. Embrace it, learn from it, and build a brand people love. Don't let silence kill your brand. In today's hyper-connected world where information spreads like wildfire and consumers are more discerning than ever, authenticity isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a necessity. We're constantly bombarded with marketing messages, slick advertisements, and carefully curated online personas. In this environment, authenticity stands out. It cuts through the noise and resonates with people on a deeper level. People crave realness. They're tired of the superficial and the manufactured. They want to connect with brands and individuals who are genuine, honest, and transparent, because they can spot fake a mile away. Inauthenticity breeds distrust and skepticism. Consumers are savvy. They can easily detect when a brand is trying to be something it's not. Authenticity means being true to your values. It's about aligning your actions with your beliefs and principles. It's about walking the talk and staying consistent in your messaging and behavior and showing your human side. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable, to admit mistakes, and to show your personality. People connect with people, not with perfect, flawless entities. When you're genuine, when you present your true self to the world, you build trust and deeper connections. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, whether it's with customers, employees, or partners. It's what makes you memorable. In a crowded marketplace, authenticity helps you stand out from the competition and different from the crowd. It gives people a reason to choose you over someone else. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. Embrace your individuality and let your true colors shine. Embrace your quirks and unique perspective. These are the things that make you special and that will attract the right people to you. Share your story. Let people know who you are and what you stand for. How you started, what you believe in, the challenges you've overcome, and the lessons you've learned. What drives you? What gets you out of bed in the morning and motivates you to keep going, even when things get tough? Let people see behind the scenes. Give them a glimpse into your world and show them how things really work. The good and the bad. Be transparent about your successes and your failures. Transparency makes you relatable. It shows that you're human and that you're not afraid to be vulnerable. Authenticity isn't a one-time thing. It's not something you can just turn on and off when it's convenient. It's a daily practice. It requires constant effort and commitment. Keep it real, stay true to yourself, and always act with integrity. And your brand will last. Authenticity is the key to building a sustainable and successful brand. Don't fake it. Don't try to be something you're not, because it will eventually backfire. People will notice. They'll see through the facade and they'll lose trust in you. Build a brand that's truly you. A brand that reflects your values, your personality, and your unique perspective. A brand that people can connect with on a genuine level. In today's interconnected world, if you're not online, it's almost as if you don't exist. You're invisible to a vast audience of potential customers and partners. Your online presence, that digital footprint you create, is your global storefront, open 24/7 to anyone, anywhere. It's a chance to reach markets you never thought possible. Neglecting it is like never unlocking your shop door, leaving potential customers outside in the cold. You're missing out on opportunities every single day. Your website should be clear, presenting your brand in the best possible light. Easy to use, ensuring visitors have a smooth and enjoyable experience. And mobile-friendly, because most people are browsing on their phones and tablets. Social media is where you connect with your audience and build relationships, fostering loyalty and trust with your customers. Show up where your audience is, engaging them on the platforms they use most. Create valuable, informative, engaging content that resonates with your target demographic. That keeps people coming back for more, solidifying your brand's position. SEO matters. It's the key to visibility. Optimize your site to rank higher in search results, so people can find you easily when they're searching for what you offer. Use online ads strategically to reach your ideal customers with laser precision. Your online presence is a reflection of your brand, reflects your brand. It's your digital handshake. Make it count, ensuring it leaves a lasting positive impression. Don't let a weak digital footprint undermine your business potential. Hold you back from achieving your goals and reaching new heights. Show the world who you are, what you stand for, and the value you bring. Change is constant. If you're not adapting, you're falling behind. Brands that resist change become irrelevant. Embrace new technologies and stay ahead of digital trends. Listen to your customers, they'll tell you what needs to change. Experiment and try new things. Don't fear stepping out of your comfort zone. Be agile and ready to pivot your strategy. Stay curious and keep learning. Change is inevitable. Embrace it or get left behind. The brands that evolve are the ones that thrive, adapt, or risk extinction. Building a powerful brand is a marathon, not a sprint. Avoid these 5 pitfalls and you're already ahead. Be consistent, Listen to your customers and stay authentic. Build a strong online presence and keep evolving. Your brand is your most valuable asset. Nurture it and watch it grow. Now go out there and crush it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Have a nice day.